What does CPU means? Central Processing Unit. The brain of the computer. Ha? It is where the power button is located. Ito daw yung power button, no? Ayan, ha? Ayan yung power button. This is where you connect dyan mo daw ko-connect yung keyboard mo, yung mouse mo, tsaka yung mga speakers mo. Ha? Who is the brain of the computer?
CPU.
Okay. Monitor. This is the monitor. The monitor is similar to a television screen. Ibig sabihin daw, it look like a television. Ha? Oh, what is the similar to television?
CPU.
Ha? What is the similar to television screen?
Monitor.
Monitor, ha? Ayusin mo. You can view pictures and videos on it. Makakapanood ka raw dyan. Ha? Tandaan mo, kapag tinanong kita, pinag-quiz kita, hindi mo nasagot. You know what's going to happen, ha? Understood? Understood. Oh. The brain of the computer, ano? Who is the brain of the computer? What's the answer? CPU. Oh, it is similar to a television screen. Monitor. Oh, mouse. The mouse is used to select and click. Ibig sabihin, napipindot. Diba? You know what's the sample of diba? You know the sample of the, mouse, diba? Mama has it, right? Oh. The mouse is used to what? To select and click item. Sabihin, pag ginalaw mo daw yung mouse, mapipindot mo yung mga nasa screen. You know that, right? Keyboard. The keyboard lets you type numbers and letters onto the desktop. Diba? Ganun. You know also what keyboards look like, right? Speakers and headphones. Speakers and headphones let you hear the sounds made by the desktop. Ibig sabihin, susuot mo yun. Diba?
Alam ko na yan, ah.
You know na. Oh, pag tinanong kita, ha? Sige. It is used to hear the sounds made by the desktop computer.
Speaker.
And?
Headphones.
Very good. This is let you type numbers and letters on the desktop. Keyboard. Very good. This is used to select and click. Mouse. Very good. This is the brain of the computer.
CPU.
Very good. It is similar to a television screen.
Monitor.
Very good.